Is YouTube TV blurry? Let's find out what might be causing it and how to fix it. YouTube TV itself isn't inherently blurry. It streams in HD, 4K, and even Dolby Vision on supported devices. However, video quality can suffer due to slow internet speeds, device limitations, or settings issues. For HD streaming, YouTube TV recommends a minimum internet speed of 3 megabits per second, while 4K requires at least 13 megabits per second. If your connection is unstable or below these thresholds, videos may appear pixelated or blurry. To fix this, check your internet speed, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi signal, or connect via Ethernet. Also, ensure your device supports the resolution you're aiming for and that YouTube TV's playback settings are optimized. Restarting the app or device can often resolve temporary glitches too. With a stable connection and proper setup, YouTube TV delivers crisp, high-quality streams. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks!